Yo, what is good, Sneak family? It's your boy ReggieJaySneakz coming to you guys today with a new video. Today's video is going to be a haul to look for some cheap finds at Burlington Coat Factory. If I don't find anything at this Burlington Coat Factory, I'll probably go to TJ Maxx, because there's TJ Maxx in the same parking lot. But before we get into this video, I need you guys to stop what you guys are doing, drop a like, as well as if you guys are new to the channel or are already on the channel. I need you guys to just make sure you guys have the notification bell on, make sure you guys subscribe, comment on the video, let me know what you guys will cop from this video, as well as just let me know what you guys think of the video. But I'm gonna go ahead and get you guys straight to the video. Let's go ahead and go into the Burlington Coat Factory. Hopefully find some steals and some deals. But in the meantime, you guys are gonna get straight into it. Alright, so we finally got to Burlington Coat Factory. As you guys can hear, the music is real loud. This is why I always just put the music onto the video and just not have me talking, because as you can hear from the back, the music is super loud. So we're gonna go ahead and get straight to these sneakers. Puma R System RS100, size 12. I'm not kind of sure if this is a collab or anything, but $35. Some more Pumas down here for 30. More Puma suedes, 30 as well. This is the size 11. Just found these 95, just do it. Just came out to them, bro. All orange over colorable for 60. Some more Pumas in here, 312. Got the Chicago ones in here. These pretty cool, huh? Kind of like these. For 30 in here as well. Some more Pumas, $30. I'm not sure. They kind of look like the 50th anniversary Puma and the Coogee, but I'm not too sure if it is that one. These look cool too. All right, found some James Harden Volume 2s in here for $45. Kind of like the Rockets colorway if you think about it, with the red and the gray, with the boost in the back. This Burlington got a lot of stuff in it, a little bit more than the other usual ones. Old school felines in here, $35. So you guys like that feline pepper swag, check your Burlington Coat Factory. $30. Puma Romas. Watermelon looking Roshi runs for 17. Not bad. More of those 312. Pumas, size 11. Never seen these type of Reeboks before. I always seen this type of model, but not with these pokey bottoms. God damn. $30. You got the CCXO 1968 with the straps on and no shoelaces. 9.5. And as well, as you guys see, got some 195s down here. Great colorway, size 11. With the gum bottoms. They don't have a tag on it, so I don't know how much they are. And they're not like Ross, and they put the price up on the bottom. So yeah, they got 95s in here as well. I also found some Adidas N5923s in here. This color is pretty decent. Kind of remind me of like some butter colorway. And they only want $36 for them. It's not too bad. I have these in here, these Pumas. With the extra pair of laces, 9.5 for 40. Here's the Reebok I was telling you about right now. It's the ones that look exactly like the other ones, but the bottom is normal on this one. They only want $30 for these. They also got another XO Tour Life and Puma collab in here. Suede's the Big Sean's though, so we can find the Big Sean size 10, as you guys can see. Big Sean and the XO collab in here. So just found these Nikes here too. This model, it looks familiar, but I can't really think of what it is right now. So give me a second, I'm gonna go ahead and look these up so I can try to see what these are called. They kind of familiar, so give me 1 second, I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
Alright, so I just found out what these are. These are 270 Futures. They only want $49 for them. I just looked online and they go for $140, so not too bad. Found these Adidas here as well for $36. Alright, so just found these Nike Rebel Blazers in here. White swoosh on one side, Nike on the side. Nike on the back, you guys can see it has the black swoosh on the inside. Swoosh with a zipper. Off-white inspired tongue. These are pretty cool. Alright, and we just dipped out of Burlington Factory, as you guys can see from behind me. About to go ahead and go to the whip. We'll finish talking once I get in the whip, because as you guys can hear, it's really windy out here. All right, so now we're back in the whip. Just left out of Burlington Factory, like I told you guys earlier. It was just a little windy, so I wanted to get in the car and chop it up with you guys. Did find a lot of good stuff in there. We found the XO Weekend Puma collab. We found the Big Sean collab. We found the 270 Futures in there. We found the 95s in there, the Just Do It. We found the gray 95. Found a lot of good stuff in there. On the women's side, I found the Rebel Blazers, kind of like the off-white Blazers. There was a lot of good stuff in this Burlington Factory, so maybe I had to start traveling outside of my area. However, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video off. Hope you guys enjoyed the whole video. Let me know what was your favorite find in the comments down below. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sneak family, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I will see you guys on the next one. I am going to still go to TJ Maxx just to check it out. If they do have more stuff in there, I guess you guys will probably see on the next couple of videos. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you guys are new to the channel. Make sure you guys have the notification bell on. Make sure you guys also like this video, comment, share with your friends, and join the Sneak family, because we're on the grind to keep growing. So Sneak family, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I'll see you guys on the next one. So in the meantime, I'm out of here. Peace.